Welcome again guys, today we're going to create a classical retro text style, which will be always editable with fonts, colors, or background. So let's start our tutorial. First of all we will do little work on background. So the dimension of background will be 1920 into 1080 pixels. Here we'll tail the lightest color for the background. Now with the help of transformation tool we'll create retro rays with a little darker color. Here we're creating 19 rays. And if we divide 360 by 19, we'll get the exact angle for each rays. Finally we will lock all the background elements. Moving on next steps, we are taking Frankie fonts. Definitely font link is in the description box. After adjusting font size, we are removing colors from both sides, because we will work in Appearance tool. Mainly we'll create 3 add new fills. First one will be the front one which have white color, second one will be the darkest color with some offset path and transformation effect as shown. And the last one with the lightest color showing the overall stroke effect. After that we'll apply wrap and rise effect in all the add new fills to shear the text vertically. Now we'll put some stars with Gaussian effect. So here we have our final retro-style text effect. Hoping that you have learned something new from this tutorial. We will be back with a new tutorial. Till then, goodbye. And don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment about our work.